Hi everyone. After a long time I'm uploading one of the video. This video is one of the very interesting topic, that is Big Bang Theory. Many of you all know about this topic, but for some of the people if this topic is very new. Uh, Big Bang Theory, I'm going to tell you all about Big Bang Theory. But for those people to whom this topic is new, we are going to come across in this video about from where the earth, the universe and everything started, and the answer to all the question is Big Bang. Now if we consider, or if we just think about our earth, life exists on earth in various forms, from the small amoeba to the multicellular creature, from the small ant to the giant sized whale, and thousands of species of plants and animals still exist on earth, and same number of species have been come to an extent from the time when earth was created. And if we talk about our sun, the gravitational force of the sun is maximum, and the size of the sun is almost that it can accommodate 13 lakhs of earth. That much use is the sun, and that is the nearest star to the earth. So imagine the stars which we see at night, how much far they might be from us. And even though we are able to see them, so imagine the size of that particular stars. There are billions of stars in our solar system, and everything is included in our galaxy, which is very huge, and number of galaxies are present in the universe. The universe is a very huge concept. Definitely in this particular video we are not going to learn about the universe, but we are going to learn how everything started. The answer is Big Bang. Everything started 13.7 billion years ago, 1370 crores of years ago. Of whatever we are able to see now, the visible universe, even some scientists believe there are many universes which are called as multiverse, but that is a far away concept. People are not aware about that, and even scientists are not having perfect idea about it. Even if we talk about our universe, hardly we know any percentage of it. We are not having all the information about the rest of the universe. So even if we think about the visible universe, all this universe 13.7 billion years ago approximately was accommodated in a particular single dot. Imagine the huge universe, which includes our solar system, stars, planets, galaxies, was accommodated in a single dot. Imagine the density of that particular dot. Now before Big Bang, before the explosion, what was there? Scientists are not able to explain that. And why did Big Bang occur? That is also we are not having proper explanation. Scientists are not having proper explanation about it. But so many years back, when everything which we are able to see now, the visible universe accommodated in a single dot, which was having maximum temperature. When I say maximum temperature means it was billions of Fahrenheit, more than that, infinite you can say, and it was having infinite gravity. And that dot, it exploded. There was a big explosion, and that explosion is called as Big Bang. Now the thing is, you might be imagining that explosion means large amount of fire might have been emitted through that particular dot, but we are talking about a time, the Big Bang, when the light even did not exist. Yes, when there was explosion, within microsecond, 1 upon billion time of a second, all the forces which are there, the gravitational force, the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, was started going far, and they started becoming weak and weak. When they were present in that single dot, all the forces were strong. Now after the microsecond of the Big Bang, all the forces started becoming weak and everything was just scattered. After 1 second, just 1 second, imagine after 1 second of the Big Bang, the temperature of that particular thing which was exploded dropped almost many a time. But then too, if we imagine the temperature, that was at least 1 billion Fahrenheit, so it was very much hot. But everything just started going far and far away from each other. This thing happened till approximately 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Everything just started moving far away from each other. The forces started becoming weak. After 380,000 of years approximately, due to the weak forces, the atoms which were there, they were able to form molecules. When I say atom, for the people, for those, this topic is little bit getting difficult for them. In the simple words, those things, those matter, those substances which got far and far away from each other, they started building up and they formed atoms. And the first time after so many years, the atom of hydrogen was formed. Hydrogen then started combining with other hydrogen atom, and then helium atom was formed, because of which it gave rise to the photon particles. Photon particles means the light particle, and first time in the universe the light existed after 380,000 years of the Big Bang. After that, after many years, till then, still so many years, due to the explosion, the temperature was high and it started becoming cool and cool. When all these substances came together, they started forming stars and other planets. Still, the sun was not formed. After almost 9 billion years, that is from now, approximately 4.7 billion years ago, that is 470 crore years ago, due to one of the collision of the star and due to the hydrogen and helium atom came together under high temperature, a particular spherical shape having the state of plasma, our sun was created. And the other huge rocks which were there, which were having a very high temperature, due to collision, small planets were formed. When I say small, means I am talking about the planets of our solar system. And under the influence of the gravitational force of the sun, after many years, they started cooling. The earth and the other planets which were having very high temperature, because of the Big Bang, they started cooling. Still life did not exist on earth. When they started cooling, because of the gravitational force of the sun, all the planets started revolving. Remember what is taught in our school, that the planets revolve in a circular orbit. None of the planets revolve in a circular orbit. They always revolve in an elliptical orbit. So the planets started revolving. Then, due to the high temperature in the atmosphere, water vapors were formed, and that gave rise to rainfall. Due to rainfall, water started accumulating over the earth's surface, and on the earth's surface we were having water for the first time. And then, after, from now, 3.5 billion years ago, 350 crores of years ago, the first living creature, due to chemical combination inside the water, due to some reaction inside the water, due to the atoms which came together, the first creature was born, that was amoeba, a single cellular creature, amoeba and paramecium was born. Later, due to evolution, thousands of species were created, thousands of species became extinct, and now even we are having many species which exist on the earth. Imagine how vast is the universe. This is just a theory, a hypothesis. Theories are not 100% correct. Definitely they are derived from something. And if we talk about whether life exists on other planet, definitely I am going to make a video on this, that whether life exists on other planet or not. If we think about this topic, such vast is the universe, and scientists even believe that there are large number of universes also which are called as multiverse. We are not able to reach even till the last planet of a solar system, so definitely we are not having idea what hidden secrets are there into the whole universe. Definitely life might be existing on the planets which are there far away from the earth. And about the Big Bang, this is how the theory happened. From 13.7 billion years ago till now, the temperature of the earth or the temperature of the universe is just becoming less. But understand this, that the universe is expanding every single second. I hope you like this video. If any doubt you are having regarding this particular topic, you can mention in the comment section. And yes, don't forget to share this video. Till then, thank you.